The product design is small and the internal components are highly integrated, which is very easy to install. The surface of the product has been finely polished and has an excellent texture. The passage width can be freely customized between 600 mm to 1200 mm according to customer needs. And different passage widths can be combined. The IP54 protection features waterproof and moisture-proof, making the product fully usable in indoor and outdoor scenarios. The product design life is at least 10 million opening and closing cycles. High performance mode allows more than 50 people to pass in 1 minute. Built-in jaw clutch, the product will be locked immediately when it encounters violent impact, which effectively prevents illegal intrusion. After the system is powered off, the gate will automatically unlock and start the manual mode.